On the 25th of February 2025, Technological University of the Shannon, TUS, hosted a Run EU INNOTHON event on their Moylish campus in Limerick, led by Dr. Tony Johnston, Dr. Noel O'Connor and Mr. Alex Yu. The INNOTHON was focused on the topic of empowering future leaders to innovate in sustainable tourism. Tourism supports around 22.6 million jobs in Europe, which is about 9 to 10% of total employment across the continent. It is a major contributor to Ireland's GDP.
We were joined by local students from Thomond Community College, a local secondary school in the Midwest. The high school students worked alongside our undergraduate event management students and postgraduate research students from our Tourism Innovation Research Group.
We had 46 attendees at the full-day event, held in our Department of Hospitality, Tourism and Wellness. The university showcased their sustainable tourism projects, including the Inspire project, which supports refugee entrepreneurship, the Uplift project on regional film and literary tourism, and Food Touristic, which tackles technology and circular economy in food waste. These presentations and workshops provided students with valuable inspiration to develop their own innovative ideas.
Students were then tasked with coming up with new and innovative ideas. Each group comprised of 3 students from our secondary schools, and they were partnered with postgraduate or undergraduate students from our hospitality and tourism courses. Students then worked together throughout the day to brainstorm ideas for new tourism businesses based on the principles of circular economy and sustainability. The main requirement was to come up with an idea for a new tourism business, explain what made it sustainable, and to connect it back to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Ideas were then shared among the full group in a plenary session.
As always, there can only be one winner. In this case, the first prize went to Roots and Boots, a fantastic concept aimed at sustaining tourism in rural Ireland. The idea revolved around developing interesting experiences which prioritised the educational elements of a traditional tour. Students placed in first, second and third received a gift vouchers and prizes for participating in the event.
Since the event concluded, TUS has continued to work with local schools. The partnerships will continue throughout the year into our program next year, and we have already welcomed more than 100 local students in to experience our innovative sustainability projects since February. All events have culminated with students proposing new ideas for sustainable tourism businesses using circular economy principles, and we have now received 60 ideas for new sustainable hospitality, events, and tourism business concepts.
For further information about Run EU, please visit www.run-eu.eu.